tell you, these Scat Packs, they do look good on me. I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely have fun in this.
What is that? Anyway, so now
what is going on, guys? So I am hanging out with FP2000, and we just did the fuse pull, the infamous fuse pull.
I gotta get gas.
We just did the fuse pull, and
I gotta get gas.
You do need gas.
Come on, what?
Wow,
oh
wow.
My Lord.
There's like 10 people that have Hello.
Alright guys, so we're here with RT Life, and we're trying to do a fuse pull.
Yep.
And this is supposed to be resetting what exactly?
I think it resets everything. Your throttle. Listen, I'm not going to act like I know what the hell this is. Everybody says to do it, that there's some kind of a big change. So we're going to use FP2000's Scat as a guinea pig. I'm not going to do it to mine, but we'll pull the plug and see what you think.
Alright, so let's start this. It's supposed to be fuse 31, I believe.
Yep. 31 is 25A engine module. So right here is a little pick that you're supposed to use in order to grab it. And you go 25A, and you kind of just put it right here. Let it. I guess you let the car sit for 15-20 minutes.
What time is it?
And it's just as simple as that.
So we'll wait 10-15 minutes and then we'll pull the fuse back in, and that's supposed to reset everything?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
So now it has been how many minutes?
At least 15-20 minutes?
At least 15 to 20 minutes. And we are going to put the sucker back in. Wait, which one did I put it?
31.
I'm just kidding. Okay. It's in there. And let's take it for a test spin.
Alright, close it up.
Let's see what the
Close it up.
all the rage is. Spinning ain't winning, man. Those 295s are begging for traction. Just did the fuse pull, and FP2000 did a few accelerations, and I think his end conclusion is there really isn't that big of a difference.
I don't know.
He doesn't feel a difference. I'm going to take him for his word, but the thing is once you start messing with the pedal commander, it really just, any throttle response or relearn or calibration, it's kind of hard to tell, because you know, the pedal commander is the ultimate flexible throttle response device, you know. So According to him, the fuse pull has not been beneficial in any way.
I don't really know if it did because I can't tell. Like with the pedal, I'm always used to driving with pedal commander. That now that I shut it off, to me the car is dead. You understand?
Okay.
So I'm like, oh my god, what happens to the car? So now if I turn it back on, I'm like, okay, the car is back alive. Okay. So now, how will I be able to tell if it's really working or not?
But there's nothing that's like crazy noticeable. There's not like...
To me, this is all pedal commander, and if I shut it off, I'm going to tell you, oh my god.
Okay, hang on. Now try it. How does that feel?
It's the pedal commander all the way up.
So I think for a lot of people that want to try this fuse pull, it really is... all it takes is 15-20 minutes or something like that. It's a quick,
if you don't have pedal commander, do it. Try it and then see what it is. I mean, you maybe be able to tell better than us.
Yeah, but you know what?
Can you shut this thing off?
Yeah.
See, now the car is dead.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Why is this guy in the middle of the street?
So that is the conclusion of where we... Hold on. Holy crap. What is this guy doing? Are you filming this knucklehead?
Yeah.
I need that footage. Make it right. What the hell is going on here? All right, that's the end of the video. The number to beat that you got was what? 5 seconds?
I think was the best I got.
All right, so I'm going to beat that in your own car.
Good.
What did you do it in? Sport mode?
I did
track
sport mode.
Sport mode?
I did track mode with traction control on, so the tire don't slip too much.
Sport mode.
And then sport mode.
You did it in manual?
Yeah, did both, everything.
I'm not going to do manual.
Do whatever you want. You do it your way.
So I'm going to do it my way. You have the AC on?
No, if you want to shut it off, I had it on, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to shut it off.
Okay,
I'm gonna
shut traction control completely off.
Hold on, let me take the seat down so I can record better.
And I'm gonna ever so lightly, very, very lightly. I'm not even gonna warm up the tires. Should I warm up the tires? I'll warm up the tires. You have pedal commander on too.
No, pedal commander.
Okay, those should be warmed up. Let's shut that pedal commander off and on with it. Just got traction at 50.
What?
I just got traction at 50.
I told you.
Damn.
What number did you get?
Oh, that was a 5.7. That was terrible.
Oh my god. Yeah, these tires are not.
You know what?
Maybe you're better off with the AC on because it cuts down the power a little bit. Maybe
I think it's just really hot in here.
I am. It is hot.
I'm not gonna go back.
No, why?
No, I wanna. This side sucks.
Yeah, but now you're picking up all the gravel anyway,
right,
so at least take them off.
Fine. All right. That was really bad. That was a 5.0, bitch.
There we go.
Yeah! I'll tell you, these Scatpacks, they do look good on me. I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely have fun in this. Ah!
Why don't you try to do a couple donuts?
No way. Yeah, let me try manual. Shit. More horsepower than this? I don't think you do in life. This is just fun, man. This is fucking ridiculous. This is cool. All right. I tied him. That was it. Should I do it? a donut in this is like as easy as breathing. Oh, yeah. Sounds like sex, but only better.